Hey, Susan Modest here, and I wanted to actually do a follow-up. Earlier in the week, I did a video that discussed SegWit and the BIP 148 that was coming up August 1st, that is coming up on August 1st. But there's been an update to the story, and it's actually good news. So I wanted to take a minute to talk about that. So there's another proposal. It's BIP 91. Don't ask me how they go backwards in their numbers, but they're very smart people, so I'll let them do their thing, and I just try to understand it. But with this proposal, it actually reduces the risk, almost eliminates the risk that there will be that split that was possible if not enough people signal support for SegWit. And how that works is that BIP 91 is allowing for the adoption of SegWit, and it has a lower adoption threshold, meaning that less miners have to signal that they support that. So at this point, the way that it stands, it's required that 80% of miners signal their support of BIP 91, and 66% of them at this point had, which is, again, it's very hopeful because they weren't even supposed to start signaling until July 21st. But here we are, July 18th, and already 66 out of the 80% have signal support for BIP 91, which allows for supporting SegWit and therefore reducing, if not almost eliminating, the risk that there will be that split. BIP 148 required a much higher threshold. At this point, we're feeling hopeful. You can already see that hopefulness in the market. When I did the video, the prices were someplace between 1,800 and 1,900, I believe. And now it's already over 2,300 per Bitcoin. Again, confidence is rising now that there's reduced risk. I almost want to say, based on what I'm seeing, that the risk has been averted. But, of course, we're not at the 80% yet. We're just so very close, and everybody seems hopeful about it. It is a permanent adaptation. So, all good things. So if you're a Bitcoin investor, just stay informed, continue to do your thing, continue to invest. There is somebody that I follow. His name is Andreas Antonopolous. No, I said that wrong. I for sure said that wrong. But I know him when I see him, and I will put his name in the links, and you can also follow him for some more information. It is very important that you keep yourself informed. I am making an attempt to pass along the information as I understand it, as I get the information. And but ultimately, it's in your hands to be informed, and he's a great person to follow to make sure that you're staying on top of the changes. So good news, and we go forward from here. Thanks for watching. Talk to you again soon.